Hey everyone! Welcome back to the place where we break down cybersecurity concepts in a way that just clicks. Today, we're diving into configuration management and backups, two unsung heroes that keep networks stable, secure, and recoverable. First, let's talk about configuration management. Think of it as keeping a detailed recipe for your network setup. It means documenting and controlling the configurations of hardware, software, and systems so everything runs smoothly. This helps ensure consistency across environments and makes it easier to troubleshoot when things go wrong. Version control is a key part of this process. It allows you to track changes to configuration files over time. Tools like Git let you see what changed, who changed it, and when. If an update causes issues, you can quickly identify the culprit. It's like having a time machine for your network settings. And speaking of time machines, let's talk rollback strategies. If a new update breaks something, rollback strategies let you revert to a previous working state. This could be through snapshots, configuration backups, or even container versioning. Having a solid rollback plan can save hours of downtime and frustration. Now onto backups. A good backup strategy is your last line of defense against disasters, whether it's a ransomware attack, accidental deletion, or hardware failure. It's not enough to just back up your data. You also need to back up your configurations and test those backups regularly. A backup you can't restore isn't a backup at all. The 3-2-1 rule is a great guideline. Keep 3 copies of your data on 2 different media types with one stored off-site. Cloud storage, external drives, and offline backups all play a role in creating a resilient safety net. Together, configuration management and backups ensure that you can maintain, recover, and defend your network without starting from scratch every time something goes wrong. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time!